Hello, the awaited game has come. I've been telling you guys about this for a while. Now, before we get into it, tell me if you want to see any of these games to record, and I'll do my best. All of these. Any of these, really. Except movement ones with this, because as you can see, I'm holding this and it's still going down. Obviously, I'm still gonna record this. I still have that to do. Let's just say I have a lot. Yeah, I'm back. And I'm going to do Big Scary sometime. Although that'll probably be with Rufus, and I've already messaged him on Discord for when, and he hasn't responded. So, when we were gonna do it, he didn't have his plans actually set up because he was already doing a video with somebody. So that kind of just got scrapped, and yeah. Boy. Oh, okay. Yeah, so this game is made by the I Am Cat creators.
Who smuggled the stone of shame in here?
What?
Gimme.
What did he?
Was it on purpose? Impact in 3, 2, pain!
Okay, you had the key.
Here's a treat. Call it a peace offering.
Okay, so this is kind of like Gorilla Tag. I see. Okay. Great, I have a task for you. Yeah. Sharing is caring. Is a little monkey is hungry. Give it something to eat. So I don't know how long we should play this. I don't know how long we should play this, but I'm definitely gonna be playing this for a bit. Hey, calm down. Calm down. What? Do you not like being here? Fine. Could you shush?
I've fallen and I can't get up.
Elephant has a key. Okay. That's always cool. Nope, I missed.
Someone grab the key.
So you gotta kind of grab the floor.
Catch me if you can.
Tell my mom I love her. Wow.
Oh, well,
You're stuck.
that is a strong grip. A monkey clutching an axe.
Wow, that is one
Give me
hand.
that. Give me that.
Hi there. Where's the info plaque, fur brain? Oh! What's... If I have to eat one more zoo peanut, I'm suing.
Get
Come on,
out.
stretch those arms. Oh! No.
Whoa.
That's gonna trend on knockout compilations.
Note to self, never
You're
underestimate...
not allowed in here.
Almost reached me. Try. Is that all you've got? Come on, don't be
Stop
stingy.
throwing stuff.
Mama.
How did a day at the zoo end up like this?
Give me the shiny fuzz. Ooh.
It acts.
That
Ooh.
was textbook.
Come at me.
Ooh.
So it looks like I
Out of my
only have
way.
like.
Let me out of here.
It seems like I can
Was that
only
just
like
luck?
do one.
Hope you like hospital food,
Oh.
banana breath.
There's a spider. Come here. You are my new friend. Here, over here. Hey.
Let's see that
Keep 'em,
skull earn
keep
its
'em.
keep.
No.
Monkey,
No.
see? Monkey.
Gerald.
Do.
Here we go.
Spine with spite, hurled with velocity.
Actually,
That is animal cruelty, right?
here you go, Gerald.
What's in the popel?
Done.
This
It's a
game.
torpedo inbound. I am not locked here. Lick my boot, animal.
Gee.
Enjoy this gift. My way of saying swing it.
That looks dangerous. Oh, try walking on these.
Oh.
That looks sharp.
You just. Give me a
Slip
knife.
it through the bar.
Give me,
Oh!
Give me.
Oh, that was too good for
I called dibs. Fork it over.
Thank you. No,
That is too much for me.
no, I'm not gonna give you your knife back. There we go. Oh, we got an 8-ball. There.
Consider this a furry-friendly PS4.
That
Don't have
is.
the badge.
Oh,
Incoming special delivery.
oh. Okay, do not hit the elephant. Don't hit the elephant. Good to know.
The only thing
What
you're
is
flinging
back
now is
there?
regrets.
There's gonna be
Almost,
so many.
almost.
I didn't mean to. There's gonna be so
Literal
many
monkey
secrets,
business,
and
and the
I'm
stock's
loving this
crashing.
already.
Was that a well thought out grab or pure trade?
Oh,
You
you! I
Yes.
love
Oh.
you.
Ah, why?
Ah! Don't sprint, they sense fear. Too late.
Bad.
That hurt.
Come on. Ooh. Hippo. Come on. Show me what you got.
SWAT
Show me
in
what
the
you got.
jungle,
Come
baby.
on.
Let's rock.
Catch or dodge, your call.
I guess that
Crowd control? Nah. Chimp control.
I'm a whoop your. How?
Crackdown time. What is that?
No!
that was cinematic.
Don't hit him!
Mummy.
Your mama
End of the line, King Simeon.
Yeah,
I am scared.
yeah, get out of here.
Keep playing,
Get
I'll
out.
keep not noticing.
Crowd control? Nah. Chimp control.
Keep it nothing but noise.
Clocking off.
You're
Don't
not-
make me work overtime.
No! Dang it.
Sawdust has deeper conversation than you.
Where's the
But people
hat
say
when I
this one's
need it?
particularly inventive
Oh,
with tools.
you.
Eyes
Come here,
peeled.
come here.
Free conversion, no refunds.
Come here, come here.
I'm the alpha
Come
monkey
here.
now.
That's a small cage. Chat, look. Test.
One more slap and you're grounded. Unbelievable nerve.
Come here. Who just said chat look? This ain't a live stream.
Stop your brain power.
Oh, hey. Holding position.
Stop throwing. You know what?
Enjoy this gift. My
Give me
mom
that.
saying swing on.
It's mine now. Ooh. It actually has
Hello,
stuff in it.
resident primate. Care to indulge a curious tourist?
That is sick.
Come on.
I will take that for safekeeping. Come
Ooh,
on, show me what
switch.
you've got. Reach a little higher.
Here.
Easy. Pass it here.
Thanks.
Monkey see, monkey can. Careful, give it here.
Bring any pair of glasses. Thanks. We should just put like all the weapons in like a pile. That's the glasses, right? Okay.
I'll go admire the butterfly pavilion next. Way less drama there.
Bring headphones. Okay.
Hi. Hi there.
Oh, you. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Feast your eyes on this.
Come here. Come here.
What do you
I
have
will
there,
hit you
little
if you don't
buddy?
Come here.
Open wide, hope it shatters your
Come here. Thank you.
Who do we?
Give me the shiny
Just
fuzzball.
taking these.
These are like cartoonishly wide. Just out of reach.
Let's see that thick skull.
I will take a look at that.
Ooh, what do you have there?
Having skull on the brace for impact. About to turn
No.
the zoo into a training
wait.
montage.
No.
I am kind of jealous of the one in the cage.
Wait, what is this?
Drop
Oh
it.
my
Good
God.
monkey.
Okay.
It's about
I wonder if.
Ouch!
Give me that.
Bells, bells.
Ooh.
Fuss.
Hey,
Keep acting
Get
tough.
away.
The vet needs legal Ooh.
Oh no.
why are you hitting me?
Who put human on the exhibit list?
Why are you
Keep
trying
those
to hit
furry
me?
mitts to
Give
your
me these.
law hurts.
If I see the SWAT, I'm...
the monkey just
Ooh.
down goes the tourist. Lights out.
That person is out cold. This can't end well.
Cry. Is that all you've got?
Ooh.
Give me your other hand. No, give me
I enforce order.
Gimme!
Working with you.
You're the hand!
Covering fire. Advance.
When I say gimme, that means
I've got
gimme.
something special just for you.
That tail's cocked nicely.
Ow.
Keep it that way.
You don't have a monkey. Okay. Dude, why do I have to be
Gift, big friendship hopes.
in
Shoelaces.
oh
Oh, that was too good for an animal.
cool.
You've got the right to remain silent. After I guess.
Did she moan?
Sirens off. Smack mode on. Order in the cage. Curtis, not yours. Ooh,
Steal bottles from a visitor like a pole. Hey,
What does that animal think it's doing?
get
Dude, that grip could
Out
be
of here.
steel.
Look at that move.
Warning, one more slap and you're grounded.
can't stand
That
still.
was real. Do something.
Stop. Ouch.
Wait, you're the same guy.
Batons, you filthy.
You're still
I
handcuffed.
should help them, right?
You're still
No
handcuffed.
doubt was cinematic, almost artfully understated.
Let's see how tough you are without glass between us.
Aber
Cut the chatter. Fire.
Help them.
Get
That's what we call a compliance check.
no. Oh my
bring out
god.
Hands where I can see them, Fuzzface. Built tough. Oh,
Where's a bottle? Hey. Try me. Try me.
time for a. Oh, out cold before I could blink. You're out.
You're not coming.
You are locked in here with me.
What? It's not working.
Crowd control? Nah, chimp control. Take this, you filthy animal.
the one in the cage.
Justice served. Zoo style.
No, I was trying to shoot him.
You're about to get cuffed.
This is harder than it looks. Who has a bottle?
A bottle in hand.
Oh,
Your reign is over.
Oh,
This isn't fun, Uchi. That is too much for me.
okay. I did not mean that.
Here's your complimentary cranial thumb. Law her. Oh,
That's a bottle, right?
Eat gravity cage crawler.
Yeah. Okay. What?
We call animal.
law hurts.
drop this.
Author-
Somebody get them out of there. You look like you need this much.
Mission over. Air tastes better out here.
I just.
Looks like it belongs in your paws.
Look at that. Ouch.
There's nothing.
Figured you could use this.
'Kay.
Try a thumbs up. Oh, right. Opposable, but useless. I call dibs. Fork it over.
But to turn this zoo into a training montage.
Smile and say, banana. Home Depot. One more slap and you're grounded. I'm not scared of you. Take this milk. I think you're tough. You're messing with the wrong human.
You're not my mother.
Just you'll make better use of it.
Look, it's the limited edition
There
human
you go.
collectible.
So it doesn't.
Paparazzi coming through.
You drop.
They click. Ooh, out cold before sirens off. Smack.
This is why I don't skip leg day.
Authority delivered at 90 mph. Crowd control? Nah. Chip control. On smack. Put some sirens off.
I'd like
Smack
to
mode on. Look, it's the
Hey.
limited edition human collectible.
Leaving now. I don't want to play anymore.
I will
Feet,
handcuff
don't fail me now.
your hand twice.
Booking it before the sequel. Ooh, that must hurt.
Let me out of here.
Wait, did I? What mission?
Airmail from
Hand the
visitor
bottle
section.
to a visitor.
Can I get in?
This? Okay. Who wants this?
Thanks. I'll take that.
you.
Is it strong enough to keep? Is that for?
I'll trade you.
Ooh.
Down goes the tourist. Lights out.
Oh hey, you messed with tourists. Now meet the tour de France.
Okay, so I think I'm getting this game.
3 minutes, all to myself. Oh no!
If the police sees me, he tries to kill me.
Help me!
This rock will be your demise. I missed.
Incoming biohazard. Doc, stop.
What is it? Oh.
You filthy
Oh.
little poop cannon.
Oh.
Signed with Spike. World velocity.
I did it.
Can I get in?
Is it clever?
Ooh, let's go. I'm gonna
That's
eat
mine
me.
now.
I'm gonna eat me good.
Swap
Say
in the jungle,
cheese.
baby. Let's
Free hugs weren't on today's itinerary.
You want this?
They are stuck. Get them out. Ooh.
Ooh.
Get them out. Fat banana. You're under arrest. Quit breathing. Poor fella. That is a strong.
Please get a medic.
Move, people. How did they get there?
Duck, die.
They are stuck. Get them out. You filthy. Here's your complimentary. What? You'll
Time to
We're done here.
badge-powered beatdown incoming. Sirens off.
go lab.
How dare you? Crime scene starts at your
Shoot to stun.
badge-powered beatdown incoming.
Clear the cage. No.
How did they get there?
Bar line crossed. Sanity restored.
Stop it!
Think quick, tail twirler.
It's the only spot where they can't hurt me. Come with me.
Take notes, kids. This is
If they
peak
can't hurt me up
evolutionary
here,
dead end.
You can't
Oh,
be hurt
quiet.
up here.
Let's keep it that way.
Oh, you're
Break
upside
time's
down.
over. Time for bruises.
Hold on. Hey, calm down. Calm. I said calm down. Calm. Calm. Thank you.
Bullseye or bust. Here it comes.
I said stay up there.
Was that a well thought out grab or pure
Hey.
mischief?
You'll need a ladder to
Ooh.
reach my love.
Protect and serve. More like pummel and swerve.
Nice swing, dummy. Try using those.
You,
I guess
you,
they
come
got
here.
too
Come here.
close to the bar. Ambulance, but not for me. Warning shot? This boots the warning. Your move, make it dumb. Prepare for a taste of your own. Somebody teach. This will hurt. Oh!
Healing.
Wow, let go of them, you animal.
Booking it before the sequel.
How did they get there? No fries? No banana. We're done here. They're stuck. Get them out.
Feed a burger to a visitor. Okay.
Hey, catch.
Oh! Banana exit strategy. Scream and sprint. Nightstick express.
Throw a rock
My legs
at
can't
a
keep up
visitor
with my
who's
panic.
teasing you.
That look fun, dangerous, but fun.
Okay, that was not me.
Badge-powered beatdown incoming. Brace for baton jump.
Look, it's the limited edition.
Nightstick
The
kiss.
police wasn't so much a visitor.
Order in the cage.
But okay. It
The
worked.
limited edition.
Things are about to get weird. Why? Where'd it go?
Heads up, knuckle dragger. I enforce all.
Where
Roost first.
did the fly go? Can somebody give me a
Taking a brownie
fly?
break into hotel bidet. Okay, next time we
What are you doing?
swing again and I'll refund your jaw.
Get help, quick!
I better get.
This is what you get.
Ooh, that was too good for an animal. Brave or dumb, you decide.
Come
They
here.
clearly need help.
Put some muscle in. I'm hoping for it. Is that all you've got? We'll call that a draw. I'm leaving. Consider this a blunt force eviction notice.
He's not moving.
You filthy animal.
I have a weapon.
Mommy, code 10.
The guy's been stuck there. I love this. You're invincible. Dude, what?
Knock,
Okay,
knock.
where's
Zoo
the
inspection in progress.
Gimme.
Movement noted. Don't you dare. Why don't I...
Banana breath,
I
you're under
love
arrest
this.
for breathing. Nice try, dummy. I should have. Cream crab. Don't touch me. You filth. Keep it up. No. Even pigeons have better aim. Ouch. Is this revenge or modern art? Oh God, help me out. How did a day at the zoo end up like this?
I love this.
Somebody
I
get them
like
out of
this
there.
game. Okay.
Plot twist. They're the new exhibit.
Batter it up.
Why?
Gimme, gimme.
I'm just gonna keep you in here.
Oh no, help. Full sprint, no looking back.
How much of this game do you guys want me to do? Because I'm gonna do a series on it. How much of a series?
These would be made of soap.
Is this the calm before the chaos, or just a slow day?
Hey, open wide.
Signed with spite, hurled with velocity. Boom!
I did. Oh, slap! Oh my gosh.
Ouch! Ouch! Syria, don't do that. Ouch! Son of a, right in the kisser. Gross. Stop. Ouch! Is this what you want? Help! I wonder how it feels on the
Summon
other
it
side of the
here.
bar.
Security!
Summon your hair.
This isn't fun anymore.
Wake up.
Ah! Sir, more like pummel and... Ooh. You stay, I stray. Bye.
I guess they...
I'm too young to be a snack.
Get
Security now.
out.
Any chance this habitat comes with a welcome performance? Look at you, banana brain, already bored and I just arrived. Hey, catch.
Give it back now. Here's your complimentary
here.
cranial thumb. Legal tender. Ooh, he's down.
Monkey meet justice.
This is fun.
Badge first, mercy never.
Call the zoo.
Crackdown time.
Primary target in sight.
I guess they got too
Nightstick.
close to the
Engage
bars.
target full auto.
Crowd
Rock and roll, boys. Send it.
retreating with dignity and bruises.
Oops, slipped. Straight at you.
I like this.
Just out of reach.
Bullseye or bust. Here it comes.
Heads up, souvenir incoming. I'll keep that safe, promise.
Packet.
Don't do that.
See here. Ooh.
Ooh.
Stage 5 nap achieved. Brutal.
Exit strategy. Screen.
There we go. Whew, finally got a fish there. Ooh,
Mine
okay.
now.
Oh wait, hon, you're hungry.
Score. Snack. Feeling good about this heist.
Here, Here you go.
Where is the informational plaque? Everything's steady so far.
The monkey won't pull me in, right?
Security now. Oh.
2, 1. Oh, okay. Come back here.
Consider this a blunt force.
This monkey just wants a hug.
Monkey.
Come on. So I need to punch someone. Come here.
Hurts.
Come here.
Hit harder or sit down.
Come here.
Well, hello. One.
Get ready for some
Come on.
brutality. No. Ooh, scared.
Ooh, not the zoo. The monkey.
Cage logic.
I need help.
The baton.
Yes, feel complete. Keep going.
Bad coward beatdown incoming. Crap.
No!
Sneaking around.
Dude, I can't. If the SWAT comes, I'm just dead.
Help them.
Okay, what do I do with this?
Test pitch. Monkey target engaged.
Bro.
Oh, that knockout was cinematic.
Who's my next?
Artfully understated.
Oh. You're my next test subject.
I'ma whoop your ass.
Hey, come on up here. Come on.
I guess they got too close to the ball.
Hey.
Wow.
Hey, ow. No. Swearing.
Backups here and back. Wow. Ooh.
No. Swearing.
Crackdown time.
Dude, there's stuff everywhere.
Serving beatings like cupcakes. Barb, are they a part of the exhibit?
Do a flip.
Feast upon these
Sharing time.
Chicken.
Signed up for thrills, got stills. Come on, buddy, liven it up.
Gimme.
Bone and everything.
by the power vested in me.
Somebody get them out of there.
When can I have that?
Okay, next time we read the keep hands and friends
Okay, I'm gonna
outside
do
October sign.
5 more.
They're the
And
new
I'm probably
exhibit
just
called
gonna end it.
Poops.
Because
Lick
this
my
kind of
boot,
getting
animal.
repetitive.
Bar line crossed.
And I don't know if there's like a catch to this or if this is just it, but next video, give me ideas on what to do and I'll do them.
Where is the informational
Give me ideas on what to do on here and I'll do them.
I guess they got too close to the bars.
Because right now,
Oh,
nothing's
that
really
hit was
happening.
real. Do something.
Nothing's really
Put
happening.
the intern
And
on
it's getting
corner again.
and it's kind of getting repetitive right now.
Is the
So,
someone grab the key.
tell me what to do in the next one. Also check the
Chill out.
description.
Observe this.
I'm gonna be saying that from now on,
Here with me.
because usually people just
Take this.
forget to check the description, so,
Try me.
yeah.
A swift monkey move had him out before I blinked. Wake up. Movement noted. Behave. Where's it dragging them? Oh, wow, that is...
Get help, quick!
Get out of my
Wait, is it
cage.
legal?
Officer on deck.
Thank you.
I'll take that off your hand. I should help them. Ooh. Oh, no, they're out.
Ooh.
Bad.
No. You stupid animal.
They're stuck. Get
That's my cutie bones.
crime scenes. The monkey just grabbed that person. Try flinging poo at me. See what flies back. The baton knows no speech. I need help.
Here's
Okay, next.
Law says, ouch. Listen up. Order in the cage, courtesy of my swing. Cop culture.
okay. 4 more.
Baton smack.
I'm also getting sweaty.
I'm out.
It doesn't help that I'm in a jacket.
For my taste.
Or a hoodie, whatever.
Wow, that monkey is handsy.
That's not a toy, that's a tourist. This dish belongs on True Crime Pod.
I witnessed the monkey deliver a perfect knockout blow.
It's kind of hard because it's not where you have to grab the ground.
The monkey won't pull me in, right?
Hello, little guy.
Oh. Let me in! Let me in!
Oh, yes.
Hands where I can see them, buzzface.
Bye.
Disturbing beatings like taste my baton. Batons.
3 more.
Serve, protect.
Let's see that thick skull load its camera.
Law hurts.
I am kind of... Come on, give it to...
The baton knows.
You're about to get cuffed and stuffed.
Equal rights, equal left hooks. Nightstick kiss. Get
Not
out,
that was
quick.
hot.
Doors open, ego intact. Step aside.
I'll put that in your mouth. Okay, what is this? The 4th? 5th? I'm gonna say this 4th.
Ouchie.
Bring a brick.
I don't wanna
Okay.
play anymore.
I'm sure I have a brick somewhere in this chaos. Yep.
Yes, literally.
I would like everything here.
Flea motel. Oh no, help.
Heads up.
Wait, wait. Try again maybe after a nap.
Watch out, LeBron.
Tell my mom I love her.
Help them.
Monkey's got
On the upside,
him out.
Yeah, we just have everything in here.
I should help
'Kay.
them, right?
Yes, 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 yes.
Who put the intern in the enclosure?
This is
enough for this.
Sit
amazing.
down.
This is a perfect way to end the video. I know it said ladybug, but even if I can end the video like this.
Guess Crunchy is on the menu today. Buddy,
Actually,
even inflatable tube
just
men look
keep
less
it there.
desperate.
I think that is it. What? Feeding and giving is the same
That ain't
thing.
a super soaker, duck.
Ooh.
Take this.
I will rebel. Ah. Ah. Okay, don't rebel. Never mind.
Out cold before I could blink.
What is that? Why do you have a gap?
Tell your pals.
Hurts.
Well, I
Ooh,
just
that
lost
thing's still
everything.
wriggling.
What was your name?
Oh, take a look at this beauty.
Why is it so empty? Hi there.
The one time I like spiders.
Stop your brain.
Ouch! Here,
Hi.
something fun for you.
Ooh.
Same tricks.
Hey. Here.
Bribe accepted. Nod if yes.
A wasp? Do you guys have? Let's see, where's a
Here's a
ladybug
treat.
when I need
Call
it?
it a piece of fruit.
Nope. That's a spider.
I'm aiming for the soft spot between your ears.
Dude, all I need to do is do this one thing. Ow. Who
Load
did
it
that? Did I hit
It's
myself?
tastier than zoo
Who
peanuts.
threw a rat at me?
Lick my boot, animal.
Did you throw a rat at me?
Was that a lucky?
Why did
Officer
you
on deck,
fly?
prepare to taste pavement. Nice try, dummy.
Ooh, somebody cue the. All right, badge meets bananas.
Bad.
Call a zookeeper.
dummy. Seriously?
Bad.
You are locked.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Your banana fling ends now.
Oh,
Time
hey.
to see if you can handle human.
Your banana fling ends
You know
now.
what? Let's take you
I'm
to the
not
hideout.
Put human on the exhibit
Have
list.
fun in there.
My turn, tail.
Tell my mom I love her.
Let's see how tough you are now.
Is that
Your
Who
tail's
put
about
human on the
Chemical
exhibit
animal
list?
control
Yeah,
reports.
seriously. You can't reach me up here.
Why did I agree to this trip?
Well, I mean, I'm already in a cage, so what's the point of calling animal control? Dude, where is a ladybug? I swear I've been looking for one for ages.
Say hello to my pitching arm.
Maybe there can be one here. Nope, I doubt it. Where is a ladybug? It has to be somewhere in this exhibit. Cage, whatever.
Protein on the troll. Bon appétit.
Oh. Cool.
Stick it is. Oof, imagine being out. Give me the shiny fuzzball. Out of reach and loving it. Oops, slip. Straight at you.
There you go. And that is it. You see what I'm thinking?
I'm not scared of you. Wake up, please. Swing again, and
Man,
I'll
that's
refund.
a rough suit. You
Time
see?
to audition for the music dash.
Bullseye or bust. Here it comes.
Well,
Nightstick kiss.
Monkey delivery.
goodbye.
Ouchie.
I will see you guys in the next one.
I was cold before I could.
I will see you guys in the next one. Also, like, subscribe, comment what I should do next in this game and in other games. Share and head to the mom to the description. Thank you. And yeah, have fun.